Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have Power and the Home app installed. Now start pairing. Open the Google Home app, select your Mini, and enable Bluetooth in its device settings so it becomes discoverable. On your PC, turn Bluetooth on, open Bluetooth settings, and make the PC pairable. Once done, search from the PC for available devices. This step starts the connection handshake. Make sure both devices stay within a few meters and avoid heavy Wi-Fi interference while pairing. Once the Mini appears on your PC, select it and complete the pairing. You will hear a confirmation chime from the speaker. Now open Windows Sound Settings and set the Google Home Mini as the default output device so all system audio routes there. If a specific app still plays through speakers, close and reopen the app to force it to use the new output. Make sure volume levels on both PC and the Mini are set moderately to avoid sudden loud playback. Finish by testing playback with a short clip. Adjust volume on the PC and the Home Mini so levels match. If you want to disconnect later, use the PC Bluetooth menu or tell Google to disconnect. If audio is choppy or pairing fails, restart the Mini and your PC, remove the device from paired lists, and repair. Also try moving devices away from crowded Wi-Fi channels. One key tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on the PC often resolves transient connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.